Well, that was a great run. Just about pumped all the water. There's nothing left in the tank, and there's nothing left in here. So it's time to put out the fire. Turn off the gas. There you go. Open the drain cocks. Silence the safety valve. Okay, open, open, open. Now we're going to drain the boiler. Excuse me. I just chocked the Loco a bit. Open the... Just make... This is the drain valve below the water glass. I'll just make sure these controls aren't too tightly closed, because they tighten up with cooling. So I drain the boiler nice and slowly. Nothing too rapid or fantastic. Draining the boiler fully keeps the gauge glass crystal clear, because there's only condensate in there. No dirty boiler water. I also, at the end of the run, drain the lubricator. I drain and refill the lubricator at the end of the run. Just nice and easy that way. Always leave it refilled, so it's not forgotten. There we are. Looks like the level's the same, doesn't it? It should look that way. Because it should be a good, healthy layer of water at the bottom there. So I put in my syringe, and oh, there you go. It's easy syringing because the water's so not viscous. You just keep on sucking until suddenly it goes tight, and that's because you're down to the steam oil. So it's used up that much, or that much water, really. Still draining. Just down to the last bit to boil the water now. Just ejects below the footplate onto the ballast. That's it. Open the regulator, open the blower. All these valves are open. You can open the bypass valves. Leave everything open so there's nothing seated. Go. Open the smoke box door. There we are. Nothing but steam oil in there. Excellent run. Thanks for watching.